Hello, welcome to my channel. When you first started your online business as a coach or a course creator, you might ask, what should I teach in my online course? It's actually not difficult to come up with a course, and I'm going to break it down for you. Hi, I'm Vanessa Choi, your marketing strategist and funnel creator. And I had a very interesting weekend. I would say a little bit crazy. About a month ago, I purchased a business bundle. And the bundle actually comes with 99 online courses, which cover finance, mindset, social media, marketing, making money, YouTube, TikTok, copywriting, hiring, self-care, you name it. And yes, 99 courses. So what I have been doing on the weekend was creating accounts and logins to these 99 courses. And I thought it was pretty easy at the beginning, but turned out it took me pretty much like 2 days. Well, you might ask me, how do I find time to get through all these 99 courses? And the answer is, I don't. As I talk about this a lot, it's all about structures and systems. And in the process of creating an account, I already color-coded the courses that I'm going to go through. Those are in green. And for those I can go through, the next round are in yellow. And a couple of courses are in blue, meaning that, yes, I can check it out when I have time. Otherwise, without colors are those I can actually skip. So if I have spare time, of course, I will go through them all. But if I don't have enough time, those I can actually skip. And one interesting finding was, out of these 99 courses, I would say about 75% of the course creators are using Kajabi, 15% are using Teachable, 2% Thinkific, 1% WordPress, and about 7% of all others. And in terms of the pricing, that's a big variation. And it all depends on the nature of the course, the length of the course, and also the depth of the course. The range from like $47 to $597. And course creation seems in a trend right now. More and more entrepreneurs turn their services into online courses. I do get asked quite a lot is, what the heck should I teach in my online course, right? This is actually not a difficult question to answer. You just need to lay out all possible ideas. You want to teach something that you are good at and passionate about. And you can teach people using your experience, the transformation that you achieve for others or for yourself. And you don't have to be an expert. For example, I can teach people how to start podcasting, although I already stopped it. But I launched it myself. I'm not a professional podcaster, but I have enough knowledge to teach people how to get started and using some basic equipment. And the cost will be for an absolute beginner. And I can price it at $27. So I think I am definitely qualified to teach that for beginners, like for those who haven't even started to have a podcast channel. Or the results that you have achieved for your clients, like losing 10K in 10 weeks, for example. You can create a course and teach how you help your clients, or you can teach others how to do your job like what you're doing right now. And once they are trained, they can actually then land on their own clients. There's so many ideas. And recently, I taught my client to create an online cooking course for her private clients. My client, Tanya, is a ThoroMax consultant. If you don't know what ThoroMax is, it's a very expensive machine that can replace 20 appliances in your home. So just like any other multi-level marketing or affiliate marketing, every consultant is basically selling the same products, right? But how can you stand out from everyone else? Why do people come to me instead of going to you? It all comes down to what value you are giving to your buyers. Are you offering an extra discount, or are you offering a free gift, or are you offering an after-purchase consultation? My client loves to cook, so she comes up with her own recipe using the same machine ThoroughMix. Many of her friends and her customer actually ask her to teach. And the most importantly, they are willing to pay. I mean, the demand is already there. She just has to get her recipes sorted, video sorted, and then the membership platform sorted, and she's ready to go. And I helped her to set up the system, design the recipe book, teach her how to record, and create her membership site. And see, it's not that hard as long as you know what your clients want. If you do some research online, you will see a million courses teaching different things. People teach how to journaling for mental health, how to make greeting cards like Christmas cards, Mother's Day cards, and birthday cards, and also how to do makeup for parties, or just name a few, and the sky is the limit. If you are stuck with the course idea, head over to my website, makemarketingyours.com, and book a free 15 minutes discovery call with me. All you need is a course structure and system. So course creation is fun. I think so. So if you enjoy this video, please leave a comment for me, and also subscribe and follow my channel. And I will speak to you next time. Bye.